Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be a host in Zoom. Hosting a Zoom meeting gives you full control, allowing you to manage participants, share content, and customize settings. So, let's get started. First of all, open Zoom on your desktop app and make sure you are signed in. Then, click on New Meeting to start an instant meeting or schedule one by selecting Schedule and setting the date and time. As the host, you have various controls. At the bottom of the Zoom window, you will see the participants button. Click it to manage attendees. You can mute or unmute participants, assign co-hosts, and even remove users if necessary. To share your screen, click Share Screen, select the window or application you want to show, and click Share again. If you need to record the meeting, simply click the Record button. Additionally, the security button lets you enable waiting rooms, lock meetings, or restrict screen sharing. Before ending your session, make sure to click End Meetings for all if you want to close it completely. And that's it. Now you know how to be a host in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.